What's up, guys? Today's problem of the day is brought to you by Hostess. Hostess, that's the stuff.
I wave my wand.
You always got the tidal wave surprise, magician.
No threat, Captain Cupcake. What do we do? You're a magician. Make it disappear. Right. Go. The river went.
We're safe on dry. What?
Now for Hostess fruit pie, apple and cherry,
Real food filling.
and Hostess cupcakes.
Chocolatey cake.
You get a big delight in every bite of Hostess cupcakes and fruit pie.
Alright, guys. Those commercials were from the 1970s. Let's take a look at today's problem. Waldo has 7 boxes of Hostess fruit pies. Each box has 6 fruit pies. If he gave his friends 15 fruit pies, how many fruit pies does Waldo have left? Alright, so notice there's a couple of steps in this problem. Be careful to do all of them. Go ahead and pause the video now to solve the problem. Once you've finished solving the problem, go ahead and press play to continue the video, and I'll go over the answer. Alright, welcome back, guys. Hopefully you're able to solve the problem, or at least some of it. Let's go ahead and go over this now. The first thing I see is that I need to figure out how many fruit pies Waldo actually started with. Alright, and I'm going to set up a multiplication problem to figure that out. It says he had 7 boxes of fruit pies, and in each box there were 6 fruit pies. So I'm looking at the equation 7 times 6. Alright, I'm going to use the distributive property of multiplication, and I know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. So what I'm going to do is actually change this to, instead of doing 7 times 6, I'm going to do 5 times 6 plus 2 times 6. Why? Well, I just changed my 7. I changed that factor into 5 and 2. Alright, and the distributive property tells me that I can do that. Alright, so 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 times 6 is 12. If I add those two bad boys together, I'm going to get 42 as my product. Alright, so 7 times 6 is 42, and that means that our friend Waldo here started with 42 fruit pies. Alright, now let's take a look at the second part of this problem. It says if he gave his friends 15 fruit pies, how many fruit pies does Waldo have left? So we're pretty close to figuring out how many Waldo's got left. We just got to now do some subtraction. Alright, so let's do green here, maybe for the apple fruit pies. So now we have 42 fruit pies, and we're going to subtract. And he gave his friends 15 fruit pies. Alright, so I'm all set to go. Now I'm going to do some subtraction. 2 minus 5. Well, I can't take 5 from 2, so I need to borrow from my tens place. This becomes 3 sets of 10. And my set of 10 goes here to the 2. That becomes 12 minus 5 is 7. And now I have 3 tens minus 1 10 is 2 tens. Alright, so I actually get now 27. How many fruit pies does Waldo have left? Well, he's a generous guy. He gave, 15 of them to his friends, but he still has 27 fruit pies for himself. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's problem of the day. Tune in tomorrow for another one. Thank you.